Right, it's Dreddy Says. Right, let's go again. Right, it's Dreddy Says. We're here in Newgale. We are going to be trying the... sake. Right, it's Dreddy Says. We're laughing because this is take 6 and I haven't even started yet. We're here in Newgale. It is raining. I'm wearing the change robe and we're going to go outside. It is raining, it is windy, it is horrible. We're going to try the Mic Wind Muff. Didn't throw it on the floor this time. And we are going to try the following. It's turned off: the auto wind noise reduction, the stereo, the active wind reduction and directional focus on the Insta360 X4. Breathe and roll the splash screen. Let's have an unboxing of my muff. Nothing? Okay.
That's what she said.
Thank you.
Don't mean to do it.
I can manage, I'm a big boy. Right, I'm getting the feeling that this is a lot of packaging to hide my aforementioned muff. Oh. Right, so there's 6, which could be an issue because they stick on. Yeah, they stick on. But you only have to stick one part. So one part will stay on permanently, and then these stick on. So I paid about 15 quid, put it on screen for these. So we are going to be giving those a go today as well, but that was the unboxing for it. Right, let's get outside where it is miserable. Let's install the sticky bit first. Oh, hang on. Right, so, problem. These aren't going to fit with the utility frame. Exactly. See, even the X4 turned off. Because that's going to go there on the side, where the mics are. And then when the frame goes on, the frame might not even fit. Alright, well, let's pop it on. Okay, that was straightforward. Pop it in the frame. It's an incredibly tight fit now. That. Right, it fits just, but it is incredibly tight now, and as you can see, that is not going to fit with the frame. Bit of a kicker, that. So we're going to try it without the frame. But then if I was using the frame, I probably wouldn't use the wind muffs anyway because I'd have my DJI mic. So they just stick on like little ears. Oh. So let's give it a go in the wet. Are you coming? Right, here we go then. We are going to try with auto wind noise reduction. It's raining and it's windy and it's blowing from behind me. And this is auto auto wind noise reduction. There's she's being smug. So this is auto wind noise reduction without the wind muffs. This is stereo without the wind muffs. Just stereo, normal audio, no cancellation. Active wind noise reduction without the muffs on. It's active wind noise reduction minus the muffs. Now it's directional focused audio without the wind muffs. Directional audio focus without the wind muffs. Right, it's active wind noise reduction. That's one muff gone on. And that's two. I don't think these will be in the stitch line. So this is active wind noise reduction with the muffs on. Active wind noise reduction with the muffs on. We'll take a little walk around with it. It is blowing, it's gusting out to 20 miles an hour, so we'll wait for a big gust. Obviously it's raining. There we go, there's a nice big gust of wind. And we'll conclude there. Obviously everything is now rained all over, so we're here for audio, not here for video. It's 8K on the X4 obviously. And we'll see how this all goes. Now I'm going to go back to the mobile editing suite. And we'll see how we get on, and then we'll do a conclusion. It's raining out there. Be right back. Right, that's the editing done and the results are in, as you can hear. Obviously it's better with the wind muffs, it's better with active noise cancellation on, wind noise cancellation with and without the muffs, obviously better with. We've got the muffs on now, but now just shooting it flat 4K, it's 20 mile an hour wind gusting out to about 20. I am a little disappointed that the utility frame doesn't support the muffs being on. I wonder how many times I can say muff in one video. So all in all, yes, they are worth it. No, you can't use a utility frame. So if you were doing something incredibly dangerous, where you want to protect your camera, you can't put the wind muffs on. You could use, oh, nearly blew away the camera there. Let's reset my tripod and widen it. You could use different mics, like the DJI mic. I just had to widen my tripod. Let me set you up. So it is windy enough to blow a camera over on a tripod. So yeah, all in all, they are worth the money. You do get 6 of them. They don't fit with the utility frame, and overall the audio is just a lot better if you're not using an external microphone with it. So now I've got to try and upload this footage somehow. We've got almost no signal up here, so hopefully this will be out for Text Tuesday, which is today. Almost forgot, there was a weird audio artifact or something weird went on when I went inside the van. You'll see it towards the end of the bit where I walk in. So I'm not sure if the wind muffs in the active wind noise reduction do something weird when the wind simply goes away. So let's just go inside. And see if it does it now. Right, that's it from us. You guys take care. And we'll catch you for the next one.